What a wonderful. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Today's video is going to be a little bit personal because I am going to introduce myself and answer few questions which you all had asked me. मैंने एक story डाली थी Instagram में, मैंने पूछा था उसमें what all you want to know about me, you all can ask me. So based on that questions, I will be answering to your questions. ऑल्सो जो मुझे लगता है थोड़ी बहुत बेसिक सी चीज़ें हैं और थोड़ी कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन है, आई विल बी गिविंग यू दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन एज वेल. मैं वो सारे क्वेश्चंस के आज आंसर करूँगी एंड स्पेशली पहले मैं दिखा देती हूँ मैं क्या खा रही हूँ. खाते खाते आई विल बी आंसरिंग ऑल दोज क्वेश्चंस. ऑलराइट, वी आर हैविंग पानी पूरी एंड दिस इज प्याज की कचौड़ी. राइट, प्याज की कचौड़ी, जलेबी, रेड टैमरिन चटनी एंड दिस इज पानी पूरी का पानी गोलगप्पे खाने के लिए. कॉफ़ी टुगेदर. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द क्वेश्चंस.
First question is, what is your educational background?
First, can I please tell my name?
What is your name?
Alright, my name is Shilpa and I am basically from Pithoragarh, but my father was also in army, so we have been to many places and I have done my schooling from APS Lucknow. And I have done my graduation, so basically I have done fashion designing and I have done it from Bangalore University, Army Institute of Fashion and Design. I have done my designing from there, and then after that I did my masters in English and then I opted for bachelor's of education. Then I chose to be a teacher.
How did you meet sir, or how did you meet your husband?
Alright, that is very personal question. ये मैं बताऊंगी कभी किसी और वीडियो में, बट आज तो बिल्कुल नहीं बताने वाली हूँ.
Your skin is just amazing. Please share your skin regime.
तो पहले तो मैं एकदम सच बता दूँ, आई एम नेचुरली ब्लेस्ड विद सच स्किन एंड आई एम फ्रॉम पहाड़, तो फिर वहाँ के जीन्स तो बहुत ही अच्छे होते हैं. ऑल्सो यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर स्किन, सो आई यूज प्रॉपर फेस वॉश विच सूट्स माई स्किन. सो माई स्किन इज कॉम्बिनेशन. I always use clean and clear, that face wash I use, and then moisturize it, or if you want to put serum, and most important is putting sunscreen. It is very important. So this is the basic thing I do for my skin, and I have never applied foundation on my skin. If I do makeup also, I never apply foundation.
Shilpa, are you Himachali?
No, I am not Himachali. I am from Uttarakhand.
How did you get the job?
After I did my B.Ed, so I did my internship as well. So in the last semester we are supposed to do internship and I did my internship from APS Noida, and then after that I also worked in one of the schools in Greater Noida after that for 1 year, and then I got married and then joined the school in the station wherever my husband is posted currently. Yeah. Next question. Thanks.
Can you tell me how can I boost my confidence even if I am in most uncomfortable situation?
See, confidence is all about how you want to project yourself. Alright, and especially confidence comes within. अगर आप if you are right, if you are correct, तो confidence तो automatically आ जाता है. अगर कहीं पे आपको लगता है कि हाँ मैं सही नहीं हूँ, मैं गलत हूँ, वहाँ पे तो बिल्कुल confidence नहीं रहेगा. So if you are right, it will automatically be there. So that's how I perceive confidence.
Which subject do you teach?
I teach English. I am teaching currently, my post is TGT English.
Just out of curiosity, sir is posted in Mau.
No, he is not. He is not posted here.
Your husband is in which force?
That is again too personal. I can't answer. I am making pani puri for you. I have become pani puri wali didi today. How is it?
It is good.
It is good, right? Pani puri is my favorite street food. Let me tell you this about me. And then jalebi. और जब मैं छोटी थी ना, मैं बहुत जलेबी खाती थी. I used to love having jalebis. तो मैं बहुत छोटी थी. I used to go to shop and tell I want to eat jale. I used to say jale to jalebi.
Where are you originally from and what are your interests?
So I have already answered that I'm from Uttarakhand, and my interests basically is to travel the world, and basically traveling. I love traveling and watering plants, having some sort of a kitchen garden or garden. That is what my interest is.
Please share your wedding pictures and tell us about your wedding journey.
Talking about wedding pictures, to be honest, I don't think any of my wedding pictures must have come good according to me, so I'm never going to post it. Simple as that. Sorry, but I can't post.
Hello ma'am, big fan of your content and your glow. What is the raz behind that? Which class you take?
Thank you so much again. So simple steps is to eat clean. So once in a week I have cheat meal, chatpata something. Otherwise I hardly eat things which are oily. मैं बिल्कुल oily भी बहुत avoid करती हूँ, मैं नहीं खाती हूँ. So that is it, and just take care of your skin. Proper cream, face wash, moisturizing, everything is very important. So just take care of your skin every time. This is last date. He's
Do
denying.
you teach in army school?
Yes, I teach in one of the army schools, and I have passed out from one of the army schools. I already told you I passed out from APS Lucknow, and currently I am teaching in one of the army schools. Why are you laughing?
Are you still working after becoming a Fauji wife?
Yes, I am still working. I have already told you I am a teacher by profession, and I basically my hobby is to create content. I love that. Whenever I'm free, I love doing that. My hobby is also to cook and bake. Yes, I am still a teacher.
Why are you borrowing so much style? बताइए.
Is it really question?
हो गया खत्म. So that's it. It's the end. No more questions.
Pause it. Thank you so much for watching my video till here. If you have watched the full video, और मैं कल से vlogging करने वाली हूँ. So I'll be posting daily vlogs. So please do comment, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. और please comments में अपने suggestions बताइए कि मुझे कैसी video बनानी चाहिए, or what all things you all want to see from my end. I will definitely try to make such videos. Till then, bye bye. Take care. बाहर पे it's raining. Wow. The weather seems to be good to have kachoris.